Hi, Acadiana. I'm meteorologist Dave Baker. Happy Thursday to you, July the 3rd. This is Acadiana Weather Today, a short morning chat on your upcoming weather conditions and how they're going to affect your day. Pretty muggy out here. Had a few isolated showers and thunderstorms over the far northeastern and eastern portions of Acadiana, and I think there'll be a chance for some of those again later today. But the farther southwest you live, the less of a rain chance you're going to see, and there's going to be a lot of heat out there again as temperatures soar into the mid-90s. Real quick look at our sky cam here this time around. Again, generally clear skies. There are a few high, thin clouds out here. It is very warm and very muggy, but as far as your morning commute, there aren't too many showers and thunderstorms out there. Most of the action is staying east of the region, at least for this morning, and then as we get into the afternoon, again, the basin parishes and Cenla could see a couple of isolated showers and thunderstorms, while the rest of Acadiana will generally stay dry. Now, I know the local radar here looks generally clear, but as we zoom it out and show you the bigger radar, there's some radar echoes there, but again, that's a lot of ground clutter over southwestern Louisiana. Real rain, though, back to our west, and also some showers and thunderstorms there down toward Florida and out in the offshore waters. As far as our temperatures, it is very warm. In fact, here in the hub city, we're having a hard time getting below that 80-degree mark. We had a low of 80 yesterday, and we're still running in the upper 70s and low 80s across Acadiana today. Ridge of high pressure in the upper levels is going to stay in place at least for another day. It is going to start to break down a little bit, so the chances for some of those afternoon showers and thunderstorms will start to return, I think, especially toward the second half of our long holiday weekend. Frontal boundary, though, is still draped over the southeast. It is going to push a little bit farther to the south, and again, there's a possibility we could see some tropical weather, although it seems the focus is now more on the western Atlantic rather than in the northeastern Gulf. But there's that upper ridge and a surface feature as well. So with pretty stable air in place, most of Acadiana will stay rain-free, but you can see there will be some scattered showers and thunderstorms developing, stretching from about Shreveport down to New Orleans, kind of along that I-49, LA-71, or a US 71 corridor, and then getting down to Baton Rouge and across the basin parishes toward New Orleans. And again, you can see mainly in southwest Louisiana things stay dry, but the rain chance is only going to stay at around 30%. But I did want to point out, you see that bit of a low pressure area trying to form there over Florida. At this point, it looks like more of the focus on that is going to be a little bit farther to the east. But temperatures should soar into the mid-90s across Acadiana today, and then only drop into the upper 70s to near 80 degrees for our nighttime low tonight. If you're going to do some boating today or even into the weekend, the offshore forecast isn't going to be too bad. Winds are light out of the west today, with seas running about 1 to 2 feet, and I think they're going to be shifting more toward the south as we get into the weekend. So there might be a few more isolated showers and thunderstorms in the coastal waters by Saturday and Sunday, but I think for today and for the 4th of July, most of you will be okay unless you're going to be over the southeastern waters toward Grand Isle or points eastward. Then we're going to focus our attention on that front draped over the east coast down into the Gulf waters. I do believe that we're going to see at least a chance for some development there, but at this point it looks like most of the action is going to stay over the Atlantic. We'll also watch a few tropical waves that are moving across the Atlantic Ocean. There's a couple of models that are starting to pick up on something, and maybe we'll have a little more waking up as we go into the first couple of weeks in July. But of course, we'll go over all that later today on Let's Talk Tropics. That's live at noon right here on Acadiana Weather Today. You're high up to 94 degrees. Again, just a 30% chance for a shower or thunderstorm. If you live in the parishes that border the basin, you've got the best chance for rain. If you're back over toward Texas, you'll probably see little, if any, rain this time around. But those temperatures in the mid-90s, heat index as high as 105. More of the same for Friday and Saturday, although I think maybe a little better chance for showers and thunderstorms as we get into Sunday. But temperatures are going to stay quite hot and humid, very summer-like, but nothing unusual for South Louisiana during the month of July. Well, I hope you enjoy Acadiana Weather Today. If you do, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also turn on those notifications. Remember, you can hear my forecast daily on Big 102.1, Planet Radio 106.7, and Freedom 95.1. Also follow my social media pages on Facebook and X, and thanks to everyone who subscribed to Acadiana Weather Today right here on YouTube. I'm meteorologist Dave Baker. I'll see you live at noon for Let's Talk Tropics. If not, I can't wait to see you on the 4th of July Friday. Have a great day.